the main characters in the story. Mr. Adam. He is the children's teacher who introduces them to the magic classroom. He teaches them that success comes from values like teamwork and responsibility. In the end, he reveals that the real magic lies in the values the children showed. Sarah. Sarah is eager to learn and always thinks about the group. She promotes teamwork and respect by encouraging everyone to help each other. She believes they can solve every challenge by working together. Omar. Omar feels shy and nervous at times but learns to be brave. With Zayn's support, he finds the courage to face challenges like the invisible bridge. He realizes that unity and friendship give him strength. Zayn. Zayn is calm, kind, and supportive of his teammates. He motivates Omar and believes in the group's success. He values ambition, curiosity, and respect within the team. In a cheerful village school, the children loved discovering new things. One day, their teacher, Mr. Adam, made an exciting announcement. "Next week we will enter the magic classroom," he said. "To succeed, you need to show responsibility and work together." The children were curious and excited. When the day came, they walked through a glowing door and found themselves in a room filled with floating puzzles, shining books, and magical clues. On the wall, a message read, "Only those who collaborate and stay curious can unlock the mysteries." Sarah, who was always eager to learn, said, "Let's think carefully and help each other." Omar, who sometimes felt shy, looked nervous. Zayn, calm and kind, encouraged him, "We'll do it together." Their first challenge was a locked box. They shared ideas and solved the challenge by working as a team. As the box clicked open, a bright light appeared, and a new challenge was waiting. They smiled, ready for whatever came next.